Hey guys, Jay from Cinesona here. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to import and use your LUTs. We'll be working inside DaVinci Resolve. But don't worry if you're using a different editing software. We've included a written instructional guide with your purchase, just for you. Importing your LUTs is usually the easy part, no matter which software you use. But today, I want to focus on something way more exciting. The actual grading process and how to get the most out of your LUTs. All right, DaVinci users. Once you've loaded up, click this little gear icon at the bottom right, head into Color Management, then click Open LUT Folder. Now, just drag and drop the LUT folders in here, like so. That's it. All you need to do now is reload the program. Once you're back in, click the Color tab at the top left. You'll see LUTs right here. Now, let's dive into the fun part, the grading. This is a clip I personally captured. Since our LUTs are designed for Rec 709, we need to convert this footage first. I push up the contrast, lift the midtones slightly, and gently pull back the pivot. And now we've got a decent looking base. And scroll through a few looks. They actually look pretty cool off the bat. But I think for this clip, we'll go for the Joker look. As you can see, it's a strong starting point and it only took one click. Here's a reference shot from Joker. We're not too far off. But the blacks feel just a little too intense. So we'll tone them down. Click this little icon here, then under Key Output, pull back the gain. Anytime a look feels too strong, you can always balance it back. I'll create a new node. Now we just need a little warmth in the highlights. To do that, make a few minor tweaks. And there we have it. Before and after. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions or ready to hand with anything, just send us an email.